variation, make some knots. To begin, make a yeasted laminated dough. Let rest at 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Place a 2.5 millimeter thick piece of cocoa dough on top of the rolled dough. Roll to a thickness of 4 millimeters, then cut in half. Moisten with water, stack, then refrigerate. To make knots, cut into 2 by 23 centimeter strips. Tie a strip of dough and place in a buttered 7.5 centimeter diameter, 4 centimeter high ring. Thanks to Corman Butter's firm yet pliable texture, the dough doesn't shrink, ensuring uniform finished products. Store in the freezer or proof immediately. Place the products in the proofer for 2 hours at 27 degrees Celsius. Brush with a mixture of egg yolks, milk, and cream. Preheat the convection oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake the knots at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 17 minutes. After baking, brush the knots with maple syrup and let cool. You'll obtain beautiful puff pastries and a good dairy flavor thanks to Corman Dairy Butter 82% fat.